Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. That's Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial, Photoshop, I will tell you how to use Mixer Brush tool in Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's jump into Photoshop. Take an image, make the background layer, make the brown background image into layer. Double click on it. Select the subject. Go to select the subject. This flower is subject. Let it select the subject. After selection subject, press Ctrl J to make into the layer that selection of the flower. Click on masking. Select not color. Don't press on this white. Don't click on this white background. Click on this flower which you have selected the subject. Now go to Mixer Brush tool. Now how to make the size of the the brush, the close bracket key, it makes the size of the brush bigger. Make it into bigger size the brush. Press hold Alt key. Now after applying moving the brush or on the background, don't press Alt. For selection, press Alt. Now drag it, move it on the background or the picture or the texture. It gives me that color because I have selected the mixture kind of color, because the flower is also selected, the texture of the flower is also selected, and another color inside of the middle, the sunflower, it is also selected. That was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel. That is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. Have a good day. Bye.